4T Authenticator Online Training. What is 4T Authenticator and how does it enhance network security? 4T Authenticator is a network security solution provided by Fortinet designed to enhance access control, authentication, and user identity management across a network. It integrates with Fortinet's broader security infrastructure, such as FortiGate firewalls, FortiManager, and other Fortinet security products, to provide a unified approach to network security. Key features and enhancements for network security. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. 4T Authenticator provides MFA capabilities, ensuring that users need more than just a password to access network resources. It supports methods like token-based authentication, using 4T tokens, biometric authentication, and other second-factor authentication techniques. Centralized authentication management. It acts as a centralized authentication server, integrating with Active Directory, AD, Radius, LDAP, or other directories to validate user credentials. This centralization simplifies the management of authentication policies and reduces administrative overhead. Single sign-on, SSO. 4T Authenticator supports SSO, allowing users to authenticate once and access multiple applications or services without needing to log in repeatedly. This enhances the user experience and ensures seamless, secure access across the network. User Identity and Role-Based Access Control, RBAC. It allows for fine-grained control over user access by enabling role-based policies, ensuring that users are only given access to the resources they need. This limits exposure and reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Integration with FortiGate firewalls. 4T Authenticator integrates seamlessly with FortiGate firewalls to provide enhanced security. For example, it can be used to enforce policies on VPN access or restrict access to specific network segments based on user roles. 4T Token Management. It manages 4T tokens, hardware and software-based, for two-factor authentication, ensuring that only authenticated users can access critical network resources. 4T tokens can be integrated with various Fortinet devices and third-party systems. Detailed logging and reporting. 4T Authenticator offers comprehensive logging and reporting capabilities, providing visibility into who is accessing the network, from where, and when. This data helps in auditing and identifying suspicious activity for improved security posture. Compliance with regulatory standards. It helps organizations meet various compliance requirements by ensuring that authentication and access control are in line with industry regulations, such as GDPR, HIPAA, and others. Benefits for network security. Stronger access control. By enforcing multiple layers of authentication, 4T Authenticator significantly reduces the chances of unauthorized access, especially from external threats or compromised credentials. Improved security awareness. With features like user logging, reporting, and activity tracking, 4T Authenticator helps administrators identify potential security threats or misuse, improving overall security awareness. Simplified user management. By integrating with existing directory services like Active Directory, it simplifies user management and authentication workflows, saving time and reducing the risk of configuration errors. How does FortiGate Authenticator integrate with Fortinet's security fabric? FortiGate Authenticator integrates with Fortinet's security fabric to enhance authentication capabilities within a unified security architecture. The integration provides centralized authentication, identity management, and policy enforcement across the security fabric. Here's how it works. Centralized authentication and single sign-on (SSO). FortiGate Authenticator acts as the central identity management platform, enabling secure authentication for devices and users within the security fabric. It supports various authentication methods, including username password, two-factor authentication, TUFA, and certificate-based authentication. It integrates with other Fortinet products, like FortiGate firewalls, FortiAP wireless access points, and FortiSwitch switches to provide a seamless user experience with single sign-on (SSO) across the network. User identity management. FortiGate Authenticator enables the import and management of user identities from various sources such as Active Directory, AD, LDAP, or external databases. FortiGate Authenticator allows user roles and policies to be applied across the security fabric, ensuring consistent access control based on the user identity. Policy enforcement in the security fabric. FortiGate Authenticator provides identity-based policy enforcement. When a user connects to the network through a FortiGate or other Fortinet devices, their authentication status is checked by FortiGate Authenticator. Once authenticated, the user's role and privileges can be used to enforce appropriate security policies across the security fabric, ensuring that only authorized users gain access to specific resources. Two-factor authentication, TUFA. FortiGate Authenticator integrates with FortiGate and other security fabric devices to enforce multi-factor authentication, MFA. For example, users can be required to provide an additional authentication factor, such as a mobile push notification or one-time password, during login. This integration helps improve security by adding an extra layer of verification. Captive portal integration. FortiGate Authenticator supports captive portal functionality, allowing users to authenticate through a browser-based portal. This is particularly useful for guest access or for networks that require device-based authentication, example, through wireless networks. This authentication can be tied into the security fabric, ensuring that all users, including guests, are managed under the same identity and access policies. Logging and reporting. FortiGate Authenticator logs all authentication events, which are visible across the security fabric. This central logging helps with compliance and provides visibility into who is accessing the network and what resources they are using. What are the key features and benefits of FortiGate Authenticator? FortiGate Authenticator is an identity and access management (IAM) solution from Fortinet that helps organizations secure and manage user authentication and identity verification. Its key features and benefits include: Key features: Multi-factor authentication, MFA. FortiGate Authenticator supports a wide range of multi-factor authentication methods, such as one-time passcodes, OTP, push notifications, hardware tokens, and biometrics, enhancing security beyond passwords. Single sign-on (SSO) provides seamless access to multiple applications and services with a single set of credentials, improving user experience and reducing login fatigue. User Identity Management offers centralized management of user identities, groups, and roles, enabling admins to easily control and assign access based on user roles and privileges. Integration with Fortinet Security Ecosystem. Forti Authenticator integrates with other Fortinet products, such as FortiGate, FortiMail, and FortiVPN, providing a unified and cohesive security infrastructure. LDAP and Radius Authentication supports both LDAP and Radius protocols for authentication, making it compatible with a wide range of network devices, applications, and services. User Self-Service Portal enables users to reset passwords, manage authentication methods, and perform other tasks through an easy-to-use self-service portal, reducing the administrative burden. Advanced Reporting and Analytics provides detailed logs and reports on authentication events, helping organizations monitor and audit user activity for compliance and troubleshooting. Secure Remote Access supports secure remote access to networks and applications, allowing businesses to ensure that only authorized users can access sensitive resources. Cloud-based and on-premises deployment. Forti Authenticator can be deployed on-premises or in the cloud, offering flexibility to meet the needs of different organizations. Benefits: enhanced security. By supporting multi-factor authentication, Forti Authenticator reduces the risk of unauthorized access, even if a user's password is compromised. Simplified user management. Centralized management of user identities and access policies streamlines the process of granting or revoking access, ensuring consistent and efficient security practices. Improved user experience. Single sign-on (SSO) capabilities provide users with a smooth authentication process, reducing the number of passwords they need to remember and improving productivity. How does Forti Authenticator enable multi-factor authentication (MFA)? Forti Authenticator enables multi-factor authentication (MFA) by combining multiple authentication factors to ensure that users are who they claim to be. Here's how it works. User authentication process. First factor, the user provides their username and password, which is the first authentication factor, something they know. Second factor, after the first factor is validated, Forti Authenticator prompts the user for a second authentication factor. This could be a one-time password, OTP, generated by a hardware or software token, example, Forti token. A biometric verification, example, fingerprint or face recognition. A push notification sent to the user's mobile device via Forti Authenticator's mobile app. Token integration. Forti Authenticator supports integration with Forti token, hardware or software tokens. A Forti token generates time-based OTPs, which are required as the second factor during the login process. Multi-protocol support. Radius. Forti Authenticator can work as a Radius server, providing MFA for network devices like VPNs, wireless access points, and more. LDAP Active Directory integration. It integrates with LDAP or Active Directory to enforce MFA for users authenticating through these directories. SAML, fourth, the authenticator can provide MFA for web-based applications through SAML authentication. Adaptive authentication, fourth, the authenticator can also use adaptive authentication, adjusting the level of authentication required based on various factors such as location, time of access, or device type. For example, a user logging in from an unfamiliar location might be prompted for additional authentication steps. Policy-based authentication, fourth, the authenticator allows administrators to define policies that control when MFA is required. This includes setting up rules for certain users, groups, or devices, enhancing security by enforcing MFA only in high-risk scenarios or on specific applications. How can fourth, the authenticator improve user identity management and SSO? Fourth, the authenticator enhances user identity management and single sign-on (SSO) capabilities by providing a comprehensive, secure, and scalable platform for managing user identities, authentication, and access control. Here are several ways fourth, the authenticator improves user identity management and SSO. 1. Centralized user authentication. Directory integration. Fourth, the authenticator integrates with existing directory services like Active Directory, LDAP, or Radius to centralize user authentication and management. This reduces administrative overhead and ensures consistent user access across various applications and systems. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. Fourth, the authenticator supports MFA, adding an additional layer of security by requiring users to verify their identity through multiple factors, such as passwords, OTPs, one-time passcodes, or biometrics, further enhancing the authentication process. 2. Single sign-on, SSO. Streamline user access. Fourth, the authenticator supports SSO, allowing users to authenticate once and access multiple applications without re-entering credentials. This reduces the complexity for users and improves productivity while maintaining strong security. SAML and OAuth to support. Fourth, the authenticator supports industry-standard protocols like SAML, Security Assertion Markup Language, and OAuth 2, enabling seamless integration with cloud applications, enterprise systems, and third-party services. 3. User Life Cycle Management. Automated user provisioning. Fourth, the authenticator automates user provisioning and deprovisioning based on policies or integration with HR systems, ensuring that users are granted access rights based on their roles and that access is revoked when no longer required. Role-based access control, RBAC. Fourth, the authenticator enables RBAC, ensuring that users can only access applications and resources necessary for their job functions, improving security and minimizing the risk of unauthorized access. 4. Enhanced security. Advanced authentication methods. Fourth, the authenticator supports advanced authentication methods like smart cards, biometrics, and Forti tokens for OTP, ensuring that users' identities are verified through robust, multifaceted authentication techniques. Risk-based authentication. It can dynamically adjust authentication requirements based on factors such as user location, device, or behavior, offering adaptive authentication that enhances security while maintaining user convenience. 5. Audit and compliance. Centralized logging and reporting. Fourth Authenticator provides detailed logs and reports on user authentication activities, helping organizations monitor access events and ensure compliance with security policies and regulations. Auditing and forensics. It can help with forensic investigations by providing insights into who accessed what and when, enabling a more efficient incident response process. 6. Scalability. Flexible deployment options. Fourth Authenticator can scale to meet the needs of organizations of all sizes, from small businesses to large enterprises, ensuring secure identity management and SSO as the organization grows. Cloud and on-premise support. Fourth Authenticator offers both cloud-based and on-premise deployment options, allowing organizations to choose the model that best fits their infrastructure and security requirements. What are the deployment options for Fourth Authenticator? Fourth Authenticator offers several deployment options to suit different organizational needs. Here are the main options. Hardware appliance. Fourth Authenticator is available as a physical appliance for on-premise deployment. The hardware is purpose-built and comes with all necessary resources for managing authentication, user directories, and other services. Suitable for organizations requiring a dedicated, secure on-site solution. Virtual appliance. Fourth Authenticator can be deployed as a virtual appliance in a hypervisor environment such as VMware ES11, Microsoft Hyper-V, or KVM. This option is ideal for businesses that prefer to run Fourth Authenticator on their existing virtual infrastructure. Provides flexibility and scalability while maintaining the same functionality as the hardware appliance. Cloud deployment. Fourth Authenticator can also be deployed in a cloud environment such as AWS or Azure. This is a good option for organizations looking to implement authentication services in a cloud-first or hybrid infrastructure model. Cloud deployment provides the advantage of scalability and easier management of authentication services across distributed environments. Hybrid deployment. Fourth Authenticator supports hybrid environments where a mix of on-premises and cloud deployments can be used. This setup is beneficial for organizations with both cloud and on-premise systems, enabling seamless authentication across the different environments. How does Fourth Authenticator compare to other authentication solutions? Fourth Authenticator is a centralized authentication solution designed to enhance security in networks and organizations. When compared to other authentication solutions, it has several distinguishing features. 1. Integration with Fortinet ecosystem. Fourth Authenticator seamlessly integrates with other Fortinet products like FortiGate, firewalls, and FortiAnalyzer, providing a unified security architecture. This integration enables simplified management and enhanced security features, such as automated enforcement of security policies based on user authentication status. Many other solutions may not provide such tight integration with networking hardware or security infrastructure, potentially requiring additional configuration for cross-platform compatibility. 2. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. Fourth Authenticator offers a wide range of multi-factor authentication options including OTP, one-time password, push notifications, and certificate-based authentication. It can support both cloud-based and on-premises authentication methods. Other solutions. Many other solutions like Microsoft Azure AD or Okta also offer MFA, but FortiGate Authenticator is specifically tailored for environments where Fortinet products are dominant. 3. User and device management. FortiGate Authenticator provides central user authentication and device management, especially beneficial in environments that use FortiGate firewalls and FortiClient for endpoint protection. It allows for granular control of who accesses what and from which device through its centralized management interface. Other authentication solutions like Okta have robust user and identity management capabilities but may lack the same level of device management integration within a network security context. 4. Authentication protocols. FortiGate Authenticator supports a wide range of authentication protocols, including Radius, LDAP, TACACS Plus, and SAML. This allows it to integrate with a variety of third-party applications and network devices. Other solutions, competitors such as Duo Security focus heavily on cloud environments and might not have the same extensive protocol support for on-premises infrastructure. Microsoft's Active Directory is more tied to Windows environments and may not provide the same flexibility. 5. Scalability and performance. FortiGate Authenticator, known for its scalability in large enterprise environments, especially when integrated with FortiGate devices. It can handle high volumes of authentication requests and supports clustering for high availability and redundancy. Other solutions such as Okta or Microsoft Azure AD are cloud-based and generally offer high scalability as well, but may face latency issues depending on the location of the cloud service and the network setup. 6. Deployment options. FortiGate Authenticator, available in both on-premises and cloud deployments. Organizations that prefer full control over their authentication infrastructure can opt for the on-premises version. Other solutions, cloud-first solutions like Okta are predominantly cloud-based, making them more suitable for businesses with a strong preference for cloud services. On-premises solutions such as RSA Security provide similar local control but may lack the ease of integration found in FortiGate Authenticator within a Fortinet-driven infrastructure. Why choose ProExcellency for FortiGate Authenticator online training? Choosing ProExcellency for FortiGate Authenticator online training can be a great decision for several reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency offers experienced and certified trainers who have in-depth knowledge of FortiGate Authenticator and related security solutions. Their expertise ensures that you receive the best practical knowledge and tips. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program covers a broad range of topics, from the fundamentals to advanced configuration and troubleshooting. You learn everything needed to become proficient in FortiGate Authenticator. Interactive learning. ProExcellency's online training is designed to be interactive, with real-world examples, case studies, and hands-on labs that enable you to practice and reinforce your skills. Flexible learning schedule. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and convenience. You can fit the training into your personal or professional schedule, making it easier to balance work and learning. Certification preparation. ProExcellency's training helps you prepare for certification exams, providing you with the necessary tools and knowledge to pass forth the Authenticator certifications successfully. Post-training support. After completing the training, ProExcellency offers ongoing support to ensure that you can apply the skills you've learned effectively in real-world situations. Affordable and value for money. Their training programs are competitively priced, providing excellent value for the quality of instruction, resources, and support offered. Thank you.